subscribed, hit that red bell. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, karibuni tena and asanteni sana. I am back with another interesting video. So today I'm going to clean my fridge as I organize it. I'm going to start with this one side. I've already removed the items on this side. They are here. And what I'm going to use to clean it is just warm water and a towel. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay. Now I'm going to switch it off first.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
I'm placing these glasses over here. And then I'll come to wash them. Okay, these ones I won't remove because they are a bit hard to remove. I'll just clean them when they are there.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a home.
So guys, I think this side is clean. It's awaiting to be it's called to be rinsed. So I want to wash the glasses, then I come and rinse it because I want to use this water to wash the glasses. So yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me gotta say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to
Rinse our fridge. This is just plain water. I have already returned my glasses. I'm just going to arrange. I think the top one I'm going to arrange milk. So it's supposed to be for juices, but at the moment I don't have juice. But let me just arrange milk here. So guys, I'm just arranging my milk. That's it. Here we're going to put our chilies here. Here I'm putting like chilies here. Okay, this one's for bread. This one's for sauce. I think so sauces. And then here for bread. Anything that is for bread will stay here.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room to
So guys, I have already washed this side offline. That's how it looks like, and I have already arranged it. So I'm just going to switch on my fridge and just wipe. So guys, we are done. This is how our freezer looks like. Okay. This is our freezer part. I've stored my beans and my ice creams. Here it's they're called dairy. I think meat section. We're gonna minji's there. Then this is how the other side looks like. So yeah, that's it. So guys, thank you for watching till the end. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So I think that's it. Until next time, bye bye.